Hello, you're under contract. Congratulations. So what's next? Well, we're in our 10-day due diligence period, and within this period, it's time for us to set up our inspections. It's also important that you get all your documents over to the lender as soon as possible. Now, you're going to receive an email from my transaction coordinator. It's very important that you respond to that email and start talking to my transaction coordinator. Now, when we have our inspections, once the inspections are done, if you need to get a roof inspection or HVAC inspection, we'll get that all set up for you. Once that's complete, then we're going to do a repair addendum. If anything that needs to be repaired, replaced, or fixed, we're going to put that on a repair addendum and we're going to give it over to the seller's agent. Once that happens, then we're going to negotiate the repairs that needs to get done. I'm very excited to working with you on the next chapter on you getting closer and closer to buying your home. I'm John Duncan with Upside Property, and you can only go up from here. Take care, and congratulations again. Woo!